Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the motion blur setting in Grounded 2. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here, open the display section and scroll down. Look for motion blur. By the default it is set to 20%. Higher values add realism, but may impact performance. Of course, motion blur applies blur to moving objects. This solely depends on your taste. If you like motion blur, sure, increase it. Set it to 40, 50, 100. I personally like it at something like 10% or even 0%, because I don't like motion blur. Of course, you do you. Once you make your changes, press the close button and that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.